Okay, hi guys. I just found a game called. I'm sure I swear right here. Oh yeah, try to die. No. Yeah, try to die. In this game, you try to die. Not in real life, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Okay, the hole. Oh, this is easy, bro. That's easy. I'm gonna score. Level 2. The culprit. Easy, bro. Just touch. These levels are so easy. Reset? How? Oh. I'm so stupid. I know I can push. Let's go. Oh, thank you, bro. Well, I can, because respawning is cheating. Oh no, bro! Come on! I know this will work. I know this will work. Come on, please. Oh, let's go! What kind of glitch was that? Damage brick. Oh, let's go. No? Oh yeah. Let's go. Okay. The loop. Oh no, not this one. I'm gonna die this. It's gonna be so hard. Damage and the fall damage. So it's kind of hard. Oh, bro, you gotta be kidding me right now. One is the most. That was. Are you kidding me? And this? Oh my god! I will never find it. Oh wait. Find the culprit. Bro. Oh hell no. There's nothing here. Lol, bro, you gotta be kidding me right now. How can I get there, bro? Oh, bro, you gotta be kidding me. How can I even find that thing? There's literally nothing. I can't believe I fell here. Bro. Where? Oh, I need a shot. Okay. Find the culprit. But I don't know. Oh. Is this the only path? Oh wait, I'll try to go there. Let's go. Oh! Oh, bro, how can I even fit there? Oh, no, okay. Oh, let's go. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. I gotta do it again. I know this is a path. Oh my god, let me. Oh, let's go. Okay. Oh my. Come on, please. Bro, come on. This thing will never work. Oh, I found a cupboard. I found a cupboard. And how can I even get over there, bro? How can I even get over there? Dude, this is impossible. Oh no, bro! Oh my God, this level is so hard. What are you doing? No, but stop it. Oh shit. Wait. Oh my. God, wow. I just found the cobra. That's right. No, bro. I'm trying to do a very easy step. Shucks! Shucks, servant! Oh my God, I can't even see anything. Go. Please. This is only one way. That's easy trick doesn't work. No. Please. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. Oh, let's go. Oh, please. Oh. Oh, no. Come on, please, dude. This will never work. Let's go. Bro, someone beat that level. Because oh my God. This is so hard. That almost worked. Yes, finally, let's go. So, bro, what? Oh my god, bro. Look, gotta be gone, my. Oh my god. Oh, let's go. Let's go, my. Wow. Hey.
내가 막 쉬어가 너무 내가 액조를 입으대. Yoga gaan de woorden met die gids zegt. Wie is dat een gids? Dat dan een haal. Hier mag ook te
I'll make the part 2, guys. Bye, guys.